Hi, welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be making palm oil moi moi using just corned beef and egg. Now for me, I love my moi moi plain with just crayfish and sometimes fish, but then when you're making for people that are allergic to shellfish or any form of fish, this recipe works just fine. Kindly like my channel, give this video a thumbs up, share, like with your friends, and let's get down to it. So here I have some washed beans, onions, Scotch bonnets, red bell peppers. So I pureed that till it's smooth. Unlike akara, that the batter needs to be thick, this one needs to be light. And then I went ahead to add extra water. Give that a good stir, incorporating the water. Look at that batter. Now I'm adding my corned beef. There are several brands of corned beef. I think I like the Exeter brand, probably because I grew up with it. Don't know, but I just like it. Lassa, Abilesa, whatever one is actually another good one. Princess too is also good. Now try mashing that up so that it's incorporated properly. Now you dissolve your bouillon cubes in water so that you don't have it sticking in one side or one side tasting, or you have lumps of bouillon cubes. Nah. So you give that a good stir, just like that. And now you add some salt. Give that a good stir. So now you add your palm oil. This palm oil was heated first, because I realized that when I heat up my palm oil first before putting it into my bean batter, it incorporates nicely and there's no separation after the moi moi is ready, whether I'm using foil or I'm using nylon or I'm using leaf like I am now. Now look at this huge leaf. You won't believe I got it at a very affordable price at my 12th market. Like, I was shocked. I had to divide it 3 times and share with other people. So now we're going to learn how to wrap moi moi. Just like that, then and bam, and then pew. That is why we break some part of the mid-rib towards the end, so that it's easy for you to fold the bottom. If not, it becomes really hard. Now scoop some batter into the leaf. Do you know that this leaf is actually very sweet? Like, it is used for the development of sweetness, which is probably why moi moi made with leaf just hits differently and it's just so amazing. Now seal it up just like that. Pam pam. Look at that, look at that. Yep. So I'll show you again so you see how easy it is. First you break the mid rib that's towards the bottom, and then you fold 1, 2, across 3, turn 4, and then bend 5. As simple as ABC. Look at that. So it seals properly and there will be no leakage whatsoever. Then you put that. Now this works best when you're using mid or large leaves, but most times, you know, when you get to the market you hardly find very big leaves, so you're stuck with small leaves that could be very annoying. And the truth of the matter is, you still like that, just like that. Push that in, push that back, and then bam, it's sealed. But the truth of the matter is, you can still achieve big moi moi using small leaves in this particular way. So you wrap the 2 leaves together and then you push that in and then you seal up. So these are the 2 methods of sealing up moi moi. I know. It's easy. Over time you can perfect it. Then you add boiling water into it. This will speed up the cooking process. How did I learn to wrap moi moi all over again? I just came back from postgrad and I was talking to my mom that I didn't know how to wrap moi moi anymore, and she was like, okay, no problem. And then the very next day, you know, trust African mothers, they don't want to fall in their hands. So she was just like, okay, we're going to make moi moi now. Go and prep the beans. I prepped the beans. My sister went to the market, came back with all the medas for the moi moi, and that was how I learned how to wrap moi moi all over again in 2013. So you cook that for about 45 to 1 hour, and it is ready, guys. Look at that. my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. See, guys, in fact, I can't even say, like, fam, this moimoi is the real dish. Like, I had it with pap. You can have it with curry. You can have it with bread. Thank you so much for going on this journey. Like the channel, subscribe. Mwah.